can you link your portfolio data to Energy Star Portfolio Manager? And also the portfolio section now builds the models automatically pretty well. So your second question is, yes, we actually have just added a bunch of new models automatically to each of these, customized for those locations. So William will actually go and show that. But with regards to a portfolio manager, yes, right back on the create from file, which, oh, there you are. There's a portfolio manager button right there. William has his mouse on it. If you click that, it's going to ask you for your Excel export from Portfolio Manager, and you can get the instructions on exactly what data you need from the from Portfolio Manager by clicking on the header. If you just want to show people, William, that exactly. So William clicked on that header, and there's all these different documents and examples, including one specifically for Portfolio Manager. It's a blue hyperlink up on the right-hand side there in the third paragraph.
Yeah.
So if you click that, you'll open a PDF, and you just follow that along, and you can connect all your data from Portfolio Manager automatically. We do it all the time, and it works perfectly.